Let's sing with Barky and Sparky. Do you like learning and having fun? Let's play!
A for alligator, snap, snap, snap. B, 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 B for bear with a great big clap. C, 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 C. C for cat, meow, meow, meow.
D.
D, 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 D. E for dog, woof, woof now. E for elephant, trumpet loud.
F.
F, 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 F for fox, fast and proud.
G.
G for giraffe, neck so high. H for hippo, splash goes by. I for iguana, crawling slow. J, 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 J. J for jellyfish, wiggle as you go.
K.
K, 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 K. K for kangaroo, hop, hoppity hop.
L.
L for lion, roar, don't stop.
M.
M for monkey, climb a tree.
N.
N for narwhal, swim in the sea.
O.
O for owl, hoot at night.
P.
Beep, 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 beep. P for penguin, waddle just right.
Q.
Q, 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 Q. Q for quail, quick and small.
R.
R for rabbit, hops for all.
S.
S, 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 S for snake. Hiss.
T.
T, 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 T. T for tiger, stripes like this.
U.
U for unicorn, magic and bright.
V.
V for vulture, soaring in flight.
W.
W for whale, splash so free.
X.
X for X-ray fish, look and see.
Y.
Y for yak with shaggy hair. Z, Z for zebra, stripes to wear. A, B, C, you sang with me. Animals are fun, you see. Barky and Sparky shout hooray. We learned our letters, hip, hip, hooray.
Are you ready? Sing with me!
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z.
Now alphabet time. Say it with me.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. A, B, C, you sang with me. Animals are fun we see. Barky and Sparky showed the way. Now we know our ABC, hooray.
We did it, Sparky! From A to Z. Let's keep learning together. One letter, one word, one smile at a time.
Great idea, Barky. Let's sing together.
A is for apple, red and round. A is for ant that crawls on the ground. A is for airplane up so high. A is for alligator, my oh my. B is for ball that bounces away. B is for banana to start your day. B is for butterfly flying free. B is for bone just for me. C is for cat with whiskers bright. C is for carrot, orange and light. C is for cake that's sweet to eat. C is is for cookie, what a treat. D is for dog who loves to play. D is for drum, we bang all day. D is for duck that swims along. D is for dinosaur, big and strong. E is for elephant, big and tall. E is for egg, don't let it fall. E is for earth, we all can share. E is for eagle soaring in the air. F is for flower, bright and new. F is for fish that swims right through. F is for fox that's fast and sly. F is for frog that jumps so high. G is for giraffe with a long, long neck. G is for garden, what a pretty speck. G is for guitar, strum, strum, strum. G is for grass where we play and run. H is for hat upon my head. H is for house where dreams are spread. H is for heart that beats with glee. H is for hot dog, yum for me. I is for ice cream, cold and sweet. I is for island with sandy feet. I is for insect, tiny and quick. I is for igloo, too cold for me. J is for jelly, wiggle and shake. J is for juice we like to make. J is for jacket to keep us warm. J is for jar filled with jam from the farm. K is for kite that flies so high. K is for kangaroo hopping by. K is for king with golden crown. K is for key that opens the town. L is for lion, big and loud. L is for leaf that falls to the ground. L is for lemon, sour and bright. L is for lamp that shines at night. M is for monkey climbing high. M is for moon up in the sky. M is for muffin, sweet and round. M is for milk, the best I found. N is for nest where birds all stay. N is for noodles, hooray, hooray. N is for nose that sniffs all day. N is for nuts, Barky's favorite snack today. O is for octopus under the sea. O is for orange and juicy and free. O is for owl that hoots at night. O is for ocean, what a sight. P is for puppy with waggy tail. P is for penguin who slides on hail. P is for pizza, cheesy delight. P is for parrot who talks all night. Q is for queen, so noble and fair. Q is for quilt with colors to share. Q is for quail that sings a tune. Q is for quince's sweet afternoon. R is for rabbit that hops away. R is for rainbow after the rain. R is for robot, beep, beep, beep. R is for river, calm and deep. S is for sun that shines so bright. S is for star that twinkles at night. S is for sandwich, what a snack. S is for snake that slides right back. T is for tree with leaves so green. T is for train, chug, chug, scene. T is for turtle, slow and small. T is for tomato, we love them all. U is for umbrella on a rainy day. U is for unicorn, hooray, hooray. U is for uniform, tidy and neat. U is for utensils we used to eat. V is for violin, music sweet. V is for volcano, hot and neat. V is for vase with flowers inside. V is for vacuum, hold on, let's hide. W is for whale, big and blue. W is for watermelon too. W is for waffles, yummy and sweet. W is for wind that tickles my feet. X is for Sonahi, music so bright. X is for Keras, playful and light. X is for X-ray that lets us see. X is for Xerox, copies for me. Y is for yak with shaggy hair. Y is for yarn, soft to share. Y is for yo-yo, spinning fast. Y is for yogurt, a tasty snack at last. Z is for zebra, black and white. Z is for zero, count it right. Z is for zoo with animals too. Z is for zipper, zip zap.
Yay! We finished our ABC adventure. Great job! Thanks for joining us, friends. More songs, more words, more fun. See you next time. Barky and Sparky.
Thumbs up, friends, if you had fun. And don't forget to subscribe so you can join us next time.